Hello everyone and welcome to Caroline's Craft Tree. Today we have a special journal. This was from Hazel Anaka Designs. Recently met up with her in Calgary, and then her and I flew to New Brunswick to spend some time with Kim Newberg and Thelma from Swan Lake Daydreams, as well as two other ladies, Jennifer Dirtle and Deb. And we had a great time crafting and tons of shopping and lots of eating. We had wonderful meals. Kim is a wonderful hostess. She made us feel so much at home. And this was a gift from Hazel. So I just wanted to share with you. She's done like a mixed media cover. She's got some bunny rabbits on the front. She knew I liked bunnies. She also gave me other stuff which you would have seen in other videos. She gave me a couple bags of like purple items and different crafting things. But this is the journal that she made for me. We got a big mermaid ticket, and this is just a little just about the journal, which I love doing those in mine too, which I've started to do. Just a variety of papers, and that's a nice paper. Lots of purple. She also loves purple. And she knew that I liked rabbits, so when she gave it to me, she said, "Oh, you might notice a little bit of a rabbit theme." Nice trim going down there. Oh, this is like an envelope here with some goodies. Oh no, she made an envelope. Okay, so I know now where that piece of wallpaper came from that you would see in one of the stash videos. Beautiful little card in there. Good days will always come again. So true. And a butterfly card. We've got a little pocket here. It looks like excuse me, a die cut maybe or something. Invitation, a rabbit, and a cute purple flowers, butterflies. She's got a napkin. She's done like it feels like wrapping paper there with some napkins done over it. Some stitching and whatnot. A card made out of music paper, bit of decoupage, collage. Some stitching around there, a few numbers on there, and this cute little pocket. That's I don't know if that's a card or wallpaper or something. That's beautiful. Love pansies. We have this is some of her dyed paper. Avocado or blueberry dyed or something. Just a little variety of stuff with just a button put on a paper clip. So simple and so effective. And a whole bunch of bunnies. A little bit of slow stitching for a belly band. A few buttons on there. Looks lovely. We have, it's just like from a coloring book. But dragonflies, you can never go wrong with dragonflies. We've got some little bit of layering with some scrunched up fabric in there. Very cute. Very, very cute. Nice paper. Nice variety of just different papers, cards, etc. place for a tuck. That's a nice die cut. Look at Holland Lot Bunny. I used to raise those, that kind. We have a dragonfly and a fish in the middle. And this is just a book page with some napkins on it. What a great idea. Simple and very effective. Variety of papers. Oh, we got a paper clip. Just some layered fabric. That's a cute. Came from some kind of packaging or something. Great way to put it on a page too, just using a little strip of something. A big card. And again, it's just a piece of napkin. I really don't use napkins enough. And I should, because they're so versatile. Oh, cute. Bingo card using just different collage with different types of bingo, and then these are just kind of some kind of plastic, almost like bingo pieces from, you know, years ago when you actually had to put the little chip down and hope that you don't bang your cards and move them. Got a nice little flip out there. And again, more napkin just on a piece of dyed paper. So simple, so easy. Oh, love that. Very nice. Love the colors. Colors go so good together. And that looks like maybe a piece of wallpaper or something on top of wrapping paper and music paper. Here's the other side of that envelope with some goodies on there. Open here. Well, that's kind of, oh, maybe this was a box. Yeah, it's a little gift thing, and then you fold all these up and then you put a little ribbon on the top. I had some little boxes kind of like this. That's actually really cool. There's so many things we can use in our journals. Am I going to get that back in there? There we go. And then looks like a piece of ephemera made into a pocket. Oh, there. So it was Hazel that I got this little piece of fabric from. There was another little piece in a bag full of purple things. And then just some music paper. And a big lilac card. I think this is kind of like a writing board because it's fairly heavy. I love lilacs. I love the color. I love the smell. I love everything about lilacs. And lavender as well. Love lavender too. Oh, and she signed it. Good. So this is a sweet, lovely journal from Hazel. Thank you, Hazel. It was a privilege spending the time with you in New Brunswick. Too bad we didn't get to sit together on the plane, but oh well. We probably needed the rest anyways. So it was just such a fun time. I can't say it enough on how much fun I had. It was exciting. It was scary as well, flying, because it's been so long since I went anywhere like that. So that part was a little bit scary, but it was fine. And, you know, the airports make it so easy for everybody to find their way around, and there's always somebody to ask. So it was fun spending time with all these ladies and all the crafting, just all the laughs and all the shopping. You know, now when Kim does some of her videos and she says, oh, I went to Frenchie's, or I went to the flea market, I went here. I'll know exactly what she's talking about, and it's fantastic. But thank you so much for the journal, Hazel. I really appreciate it, and all the other gifts that you gave me. Check out Hazel's channel. There is a link below. Check out Kim's channel, etc. And like, subscribe, share, all that fun stuff. We'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.